ang administrasyong Marcos na ito, talagang hell-bent, no? Gagawin at gagawin nila, ang buong makakaya nila, to downplay the Dutertes, i-assail yung image of good governance that the Duterte brand gave to the people sa Davao and in the whole country during the 6-year presidency of PRRD. At ito na nga, no? Yung abuse and excessive use of force, Davao, I have to agree, is under siege, Ka-Eric. Dapat ito malaman at maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan. Why would almost 2 battalions of Special Action Forces from different PNP units in different regions, and there were some information na meron ding mga AFP Special Forces nakasama doon sa pag-serve. It is not a raid, ha?
Yeah.
Mainstream media is terming it as a raid.
Correct.
No, it is not a raid. It is the serving of an arrest warrant for 6 individuals. Okay? So, bakit ganon ka-excessive ang force? And not just that, Ka-Eric, ha? It was done simultaneously.
Correct.
In 3 locations.